Oh. Today, I'm gonna be soul snatching in public lobbies in Animal Company. Basically, I'm just gonna this thing I found with my friend. Well, it's like, well, it's not really well known, but me and my friend figured out how to use it, so I'll give a good video idea. And so I'm just gonna join 1, 2 public lobbies to use it, and hopefully get some, reactions. Like, let's get to it. Also, subscribe. This video takes like a long time because I'm new to editing. Like, I just started like what, 2 weeks ago or something. And please subscribe. Yeah, it's probably too late. My piano. First lobby. Let's go. First time's the charm. Oh, beautiful.
Can anybody here help me get money?
I'm recording. Oh yeah. Oh, here we go. The lobby's.
You're recruiting.
Does anyone have free rock left?
Wait, what are you recruiting?
Would you like to buy it?
Rock.
So you're gonna have to give me an RPG or a gun. Give me an RPG.
I don't have any money.
Oh, Green, there's something on you. Green, there's something on you. Do you want me to get it back off you? Sure? No, there's something on you. No, I don't have anything wrong with me. Hey, wait, I gotta get it back. Sorry. See? That was on you. Oh, it's back on you.
No.
Or you're just really low. You stupid. Yo, can you give me money? Can you give me if you're honest? Can you give me
I have your soul.
Stop asking me for shit.
I have your soul.
Bro, I have 100
Blaze, I have your soul.
Alright then, go.
Yeah, I'm saying they're dumb because they picked up a arena gun, which is supposed to put in a bag.
Dumbass.
Whoa, that's cool.
Does anybody have? Does anybody
I love.
have gun unlocked?
No, but I have this unlocked. Here, let me show you
Asking
something.
for shit, dumbass.
Okay.
Yeah, don't give them anything. They're just begging. I could battle you.
Beggars!
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 Hey, you would you like to buy me?
Give me that, please, please!
What is this?
That? I've seen that guy before. I have not. Okay, we're gonna go. This one is actually terrible. Freak out! Seconds times the charm? I don't know. And there's like... Nobody.
Teach me how to pray. Can someone teach me?
Who?
There you go. That guy.
Alright, follow me. Follow me.
Don't listen to him. He's trying to kidnap you.
I'm not kidnapping. I'm teaching him about the mines. I'm teaching him about the mines.
Shut up! Guys, how do you...
Whoa. Okay. Yo, hey, follow me. I'll show you how to play. Come on, follow me.
He's trying to show you how to do.
I'm not trying to kill him. I'm trying to teach him how to play the game like he asked. Yeah, take a picture of me.
No, you're not worthy.
No! Wait, did I kill him? Oh, yes, let's go. Oh, yeah,
F you, whoever killed me.
hit your shots. Okay, follow me. I'll teach you how to... Come on. Okay. Ow. Oh, I'm low. Did he die?
Well, I'm not gonna go out. I know my place.
Let's go! Stole some other kid's soul! Ah! Ah! I don't even know how I died there, but... Me? Hacking? No. Boom! Hey, I saw you. Was that you that killed me? It's not very nice, you know.
No, wasn't me.
That wasn't you? Was it you?
I swear on my life it was. I even know who you are.
Alright, if you step outside, I'm gonna kill you. First of all.
Wait.
I'm choking. Call 911. Call 911. I'm choking. Help me, please. I told you, bro. I told you. Oh, freeze. I own these. I don't want them.
Are you one of the watchers?
Oh. Hey, no, I'm chill. kill you. I'm gonna kill you and your family. You are not safe. Wait, don't revive. I'll revive you. I'll revive you.
I am Diver. I am Diver.
You are.
Don't scare
Oh wow,
me.
that guy's dripped.
Our the freezer. I'll give you money.
Oh,
Whoa, bro. Wait. Do you know?
Do I know who? Who do I know? Oh shit! Damn, they all dead.
Holy shit, I got
Oh, it's you.
Chat, what's this, femboy? Hey.
Wait,
chat.
what?
Like, chat. Chat.
Don't revive Blue. I'll save you. Blue, I'll revive you. I'll revive you. Nah, I'm not reviving that guy.
Yeah, you're in what?
Yes,
Oh, I am.
Yes, I do know him. Whoever pulls out a blue item from her stash gets a winning prize. I don't know what my brother told me, but he told me.
Wait, Blue! Oh my God, Blue! Come here, bro. Ow! I'm gonna kill you. Because I have something. I have my hack
give me a good item if you
I have
want
my
your soul
hack
back.
client. That's why I'm not dying.
Okay, I'll give you my good item.
It's possible.
You better
It's
not do
possible.
it, go.
Okay, give me a good item or...
Why do you have a gun saved? What?
Whoever pulls out will thing out of the backpack and try to shoot him. That's all it. You're not stupid.
Yo, help me. Where's my remote? I'm down. Dude, can you stop using that glitch?
Can you?
I'm not using it. He started. I was gonna kill him.
I'm abusing my glitch. Oh, he's red watch. I'm killing him.
Oh, he ate it.
Okay, you're sure you're really gonna use that? Because you're just making kids. And you're gonna make kids.
I already got that
not
guy's
bad
soul.
pigs. That's why I get it with it.
You're gonna target me?
Oh, wow.
Everybody kill this guy. He is hostile.
If you had three,
Everybody kill this guy. This guy's raping kids.
Did you just call? Who called?
Raping kids.
I
Kill.
can hear you.
Not me! More bombs! Kill everyone!
I appreciate that. I got you. Okay, next lobby. Let's go. I'm so excited. I'm gonna look great. Everyone's gonna love me. That's what I say.
Steal little kids stuff.
You're gonna steal little kid stuff.
Yeah, sure.
I just killed a little kid. Fair. Thanks.
Yo, you wanna do it too?
Oh, I stole your soul though, so sorry.
Your what? My what?
I stole your soul. Excuse you. You killed your soul. Oh, I killed my soul.
I burned. That's crazy. That was a good shot too.
I'm sorry to say you were maybe half a foot away from me. I'm just saying that right now.
Where's everybody in the code at?
But those are perfect screenshots. You killed yourself?
Oh my god!
For money, you're the code.
Yo, you wanna fight? I don't have that much video.
Here, I got you. I want to show you something first, and then yeah, I'll fight you. Hold on.
No, I don't wanna do that thing. Wait, are you gonna do that magic trick where I'm gonna
Fight me. I'm gonna be honest. That's not how it works. Okay, let's fight. That's also not how it works.
Yeah, they don't need to activate it.
Okay, so yeah, let's fight. Come on, let's fight. Yo, red jersey, hop outside, bro.